In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Shein's customer service using their live chat feature. Whether you've got questions about an order, need help with returns, or have any other inquiries, using the live chat can be a quick and efficient way to get the assistance you need. So let's jump right in and see how you can connect with Shein's customer service in just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to open your preferred internet browser and head over to Shein's official website. Make sure you're on the correct website, as there can be several similar-looking sites that aren't legitimate. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a range of options that mainly focus on shopping. However, our focus today is connecting with customer service, so let's proceed to the next step. Locate the customer service option, which is usually found in the footer section of the website. Typically, this is where websites place essential links relating to support and information. Alternatively, you might find a dedicated button usually located at the top or somewhere prominently displayed on the page. Once you spot the customer service link, go ahead and click on it. This will navigate you to a page filled with potential solutions and FAQs. This section is designed to handle a wide range of common customer inquiries. Now, what you need to do is look for an option that allows you to start a live chat. It's often a small button or icon, sometimes highlighted to draw your attention. Some websites require a preliminary check before starting a chat, such as verifying if your issue is listed in their help center. On Shein's site, there's a checkbox that needs to be addressed, which typically confirms you've looked through the available resources before reaching out to chat support. Simply click to acknowledge this. With that done, you're ready to begin the live chat. A message box will open, allowing you to type your questions or issues. When chatting, be sure to provide as much detail as possible about your query. This gives the customer service representative all the necessary information to help you efficiently. Having your order number or account details on hand can also speed things up significantly, allowing for a smoother overall experience. And that's all there is to it. You've navigated to the customer service screen and started a live chat with one of Shein's support team members, all in just a couple of easy steps. Live chat is a fantastic tool for getting the help you need without long waits or navigating through complex phone menus. It's direct, personable, and oftentimes the answer you're looking for is just a few messages away. Thanks for tuning in to today's guide, and happy shopping. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Until next time.